don't care.
Here come the people at the door, y'all. At the door. At the door.
Okay.
She didn't call us. She didn't quake.
This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. Lenoir County Sheriff's Office is searching for Yesenia Denise Lopez. Yesenia is a 15-year-old Hispanic female, approximately 4 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 150 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. Yesenia was last seen wearing a white sweater and black pants. The abductor is unknown at this time. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Lenoir County Sheriff's Office immediately at 252-559-6118 or call 911. This is an Amber Alert.
Provides access to essential benefits that go beyond original Medicare, such as dental, vision, hearing.